Hey guys, this is Decolation, and today we're going to be installing a carbon fiber steering wheel for the SHO. I know it's been a while since we've done some footage on the SHO or have done anything, but there she is. Alright, step number one, which I already accomplished, you take off the negative battery terminal because you don't want an airbag blowing up in your face. And then just kind of get a sneak peek of it. Yeah, so I got this steering wheel from Beyond Legal Limits. So we're gonna install this. So first things first, I got the battery terminal turned off. As you can see, the doors are open and no lights are on the dash. So we need to make sure we don't have an airbag going off in my face. Then the next thing you need to do, there's two holes. One right here and one right here on the side of the steering wheel. You want to get something kind of flat. I saw a couple different tools used. I saw an Allen key. There we go. This is a T50 bit. Hey guys, we're back. This is the next day. It was a little dark when I finished installing the steering wheel, so I figured I'd wait till it's nice and sunny out and we'll give you guys my full review of the steering wheel. Oh man, first impression, just getting into the car, much better. Really, the steering wheel is what you look at the most, so what you interact with. Alright. So, initial feel quality, very good. Fit and finish, like you can see, like the seams are very nice. The stitching, very consistent stitching all around. Everything has a good feel to it. You can tell looking at the carbon fiber, there's like no pores or anything like that. It's actually very smooth. You can tell they took the time to do the resin very nicely. Let's see. Yeah, everything just works. I'm gonna have the volume down because I don't want to get a copyright. But yeah, like other thing that I noticed, the steering wheel is a little bit heavier than the stock one, so it actually makes the turning lighter. I guess the steering wheel has more weight to it, so it just has a little bit more leverage for turning. So, very nice. Let's go do some, we'll do a little bit of a spirited driving. Let's see how this. I already checked all the buttons last night. They actually work perfectly as well, which makes sense because they use a stock steering wheel from, like they order from the factory and stuff. So, man. Another thing is like the shape that they've done with this, the hand grips are perfect. I have pretty large hands, so the old steering wheel I couldn't have a full grip right here where you're like is a good control of the vehicle, because they made this fatter, actually can fit, and then my hands are actually making full contact, which gives you better control of the steering wheel. This trip was in Mexico, just so you know. But yeah. This steering wheel feels amazing. Good control. The turning is much lighter, but still firm. Yeah, overall, I'm very, very satisfied with this steering wheel, and it looks amazing. Kind of the order process, what I did was when I sat down and talked with Beyond Legal Limits, they let you customize like leather, Alcantara. You can do full leather steering wheel. You can do half carbon fiber and half leather like I did. Pretty much sky is the limit. I even customized the color of my stitching, the color of the center stripe. You don't have to have the center stripe if you don't want it, but it's kind of everything that I was looking for. And the one thing is, if you want carbon fiber, for at least the Ford Tauruses, and I think with any other manufacturer, you lose the capability to do heated steering wheel. But I mean, I live in Northern Virginia, so it's not like heated steering wheel is super important. And if I really, really feel I needed it, didn't take long for me to swap. The first time, because you're finding the little clips to release these, you saw earlier in the video, that took a little bit of effort, but after that, I mean, now that I know exactly where they are, it'll probably take me 15-20 minutes to swap between steering wheels, which is not bad at all. But yeah, I'm very satisfied with this steering wheel. So right now we're gonna end this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe down below. And other than that, peace.